Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our Skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful.
Let us solve today's DC using Python programming language. The program must accept an integer n, then the program must form a string based on the conditions. The conditions are: it must find an integer r which is n modulo 26, and it must append r plus 1 uppercase string s. Alphabet to s. Then we should divide n by 26. This process must be repeated until n becomes 0. Finally, it must print the reverse of s. The program must accept an integer n, then the program must form a string s based on the following condition. It must find an integer r and it should divide modulo division by 26, and it must append r plus 1 uppercase alphabet to s. Then we should divide n by 26, and this process must be done until n becomes 0. Finally, we should print the reverse of s. Let's check for our test case. N is equal to 58. Now 58 modulo 26 is 6. Here s is equal to 6th alphabet, that is G. 6th alphabet plus 1, that is 7th alphabet. Next we have to divide by 26, that is 2. Then two modulo 26. Two modulo 26 is 0, so 0 plus 1, the first alphabet is A. Sorry, 2 modulo 26 is 2 here. So 2 plus 1, 3, and the third alphabet is C. Hence the output should be reverse of S. So CG is our output. Now let us implement our logic in Python. We will get an input n using n is equal to int of input, while n is greater than 0, r is equal to n modulo 26. We will put s is equal to a string. Now s plus equal to character of 65 plus r. This character function helps to convert this ASCII value to its character. For example, the ASCII value of a is 65. So we are using 65 here. If r is equal to 0 means 65 plus 0, which is a. Next, we should divide by 26. N divided by 26 equal to 26. Now finally we must print the reverse of s. So -1. Let's check our code. First test case 58 and CG is our output. Second test case 1000, BMM is our output.
Our program has passed all our given test cases successfully. Hope you guys understand. Thanks for watching. See you next video.